Hey guys, we're gonna make lemon rosemary chicken.
Yes, we love it. It's delicious. It's one of those things that's don't need a lot of ingredients for it, and it tastes really, really good. You're gonna see lemon rosemary chicken at its finest. So you need chicken breast,
Lemons,
lemon, rosemary,
pepper,
salt, and pepper. I like the dried rosemary for this recipe because we're gonna cook it in the skillet. You can get it ground dried. I kind of like getting the leaves, just grind it up. If you don't have a mortar and pestle, which this is right here, you can use your hands and then just kind of break it up like that. About a teaspoon of rosemary leaf. That coarse salt is always good, so we're gonna put just about the same, about a teaspoon, and then that salt with the dry rosemary leaves, they're gonna grind up a lot faster. Go ahead. So we're
okay. Now I got it.
There you go. All right. Chicken that is thin, because if it's thin, you're gonna have more surface area for flavor. So if it's a big, thick piece of chicken, you can season the outside. A bite of that thick piece of chicken, and only the seasonings on the outside, it's gonna kind of taste bland. And the best thing is to get chicken breasts when they're still almost frozen. They're actually easier to cut that way. They're less slippery. We're gonna just hold it flat, and then depending on the size of the chicken breast, I think I might get 3 from this one. This bad boy is good. I'm even gonna score it gently because I want to get that seasoning through it, and I want it to be tender. So I'm gonna do a little bit of a gentle scoring.
This is brown.
Kind of like a mango slice. That's beautiful, yeah.
I'll get you one more.
One more. We're gonna cut. See? Can they see? Let's see. All right, so here we go. We're gonna
Hashtag Mama knows best. And just so you know, my mama used to work at a kitchen. She went to Texas, Florida, California.
around the country, not the world.
Yeah, I know.
Not yet. Hopefully one day I'll be able to travel around the world.
I said I'll take my mama around the world when I grow up.
The rosemary is all ground up. It gave the salt a green tint. So in this salt, so we could have like just a rub that we can access, right? We're making our seasoning here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna grind in a good amount of fresh black pepper because we love pepper. And this, with the flecks of pepper, you know, you got your lemon pepper, but it's up a notch.
Wait, what?
I only want from the top. Show you guys how much I got and what it looks like. And we're gonna, because I just want a little bit of that lemon zest. The flavor of the lemon is in the oil of the rind. That's where the strongest flavor is.
Okay, this is science cooking.
And it's not a lot. Be careful, because a little dab will do you. We don't want it to be overpowering, but we still want that like something special.
Okay,
I'm gonna scrape this up, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. We just minced it,
why would you cut it like that?
so it has more chance to release flavor and to spread out on different pieces. Here we go. That's our ground up rosemary, fresh ground pepper, salt, and just lemon rind. We're gonna put juice on the lemons before we add our seasoning. We're gonna add lemon juice over them while they're cooking in the pan as well. Okay, so we have our chicken here on a flat layer. It's about 3 pieces that I kind of put together.
Squeeze the lemon juice.
Squeeze some fresh lemon juice over each piece. We're gonna take a little bit of our okay, so we have our hot pan with avocado oil. Here we go. So I'm not going to crowd the pan by adding more chicken in this. I want there to be space between each piece for them to have a chance to cook. Alright, I've turned this a couple times, and this is golden brown and delicious. All right, guys, this is it. The lemon chicken is done. Ooh, and it's so juicy. The juices are at the bottom, so you don't want to cook your chicken until it's like crying out for mercy.
No, good.
Season, right? Salt and pepper can go a long way if you use it appropriately.
You can take a little bit of lemon.
The lemon at the end is what like brightens it up and keeps it fresh. Really, really good. I highly recommend, and it was a cinch, right?
Mm-hmm.
See you next time.